Want to make your first $100 with affiliate marketing? I'll show you a beginner friendly affiliate marketing strategy that works fast, no website, no investment, just free traffic. So watch till the end and you will know exactly how to start today. I will share with you guys everything, my methods, my secrets, and so much more. And as you can see over here, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and I made $9,637 in commission just in 17 days from the first day of December, okay, until the day 17. Okay, let's click on update, and here you go. You guys can see the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and in my balance it's available here, $9,637. I will be able to withdraw this money in the next month. So anyway, for people who want to start making commissions and start making their first commissions with affiliate marketing, this is what you need to do. You just need to watch all those steps that I will share with you in this video, and let's get started. So if you are new to this business, you first need to create an affiliate account like this one. So here is what you will do. You will go to Google and you will search for this website, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying some good commissions. For example, if a person buy service from you, you will earn commission, and if this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep making commissions from every transaction this person will make on Fiverr. So which makes this business really profitable. Anyway, let's go back. You just need to click here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes and you can put your website here. Okay, if you say yes, you need to put your website link here. Okay, and if you put your website link here, you will start seeing impressions in your affiliate account over here. Okay, in your affiliate account dashboard. So for me, I don't have any website, that's why it's showing here 0 impressions, because I'm not using any website. And for you, like I said, if you have a website, you can put your website here, but for me, I don't have any website. I'm gonna choose no, and I will choose my country from here, and you need to choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and answer next few questions, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. It will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you will promote to earn commission, and I will show you the service that you guys can focus on and the niche that you guys should focus on as beginners to make your first $100 from today. Okay, so the service is about design, so design niche. So what we will do, we will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click here on the search and search for logo design. Search for this service. Okay, search for logo design, and I will show you guys how you can find people who will be interested and who are searching for logo designers, so they will buy the service from you and you will earn commission. Search for logo design, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are searching for uh, who are sorry guys. So you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So you have a lot of sellers, and I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, pro sellers, sellers who provide good services and who has good experience. Okay, so like top rated seller, pro sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, those sellers are good sellers and they should have a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will click on his service like this, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Guys, look how many orders in queue. 719 orders in queue. Like, that's a really big number. You see how many people are paying for this service? People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Okay, copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, and so on. So click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click over here and put this seller profile link here, and click again over here. Just click here. Okay, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link to people who will be interested to buy this logo design service from your affiliate link. So what you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link to people who will be interested to buy this service from you. So here is what you will do. Just go and open your Facebook homepage, open your Facebook account, okay? And click here on the search and search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design like this. Okay, you have here filters, scroll down and click on groups. Okay, we need Facebook groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that's providing that are public or groups who that are private. You just need to click on join and join all those groups. For public groups, that's all fine. You guys can use public groups even if you didn't join those groups. Okay, so let's choose one of those groups. I'm gonna choose, for example, let me see, let's choose this one. I will click on this logo design group and I will scroll down. Okay, and here you go. You will be directly in this group. You guys can see I need graphic and logo designer. So like this person is searching for logo designer. I need graphics and logo designer. So those people in this group, you will find a lot of people here in this group who are searching for logo designer. I need logo designer needed immediately. Look, this one is searching for logo designer. Let's scroll down. You have a lot. You will find a lot of people. Logo designer and graphic designer expert wanted. This person searching for logo designer. Okay, and so much more. You will find a lot of people here who are searching for logo designer. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on this person, click on his name. Let me show you, and click over here on message, and we will send a professional and friendly message to this person who is searching for logo designer. So how we can create good message? We will use AI. Okay, we will use ChatGPT. Go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Click here and ask him create a professional message, okay, that I can send, okay, to people on Facebook who search for logo designer to buy logo design service from my website. I will click here and ChatGPT will create a good and friendly professional message that I can use. You guys can see. So here you go. I saw that you are looking for logo designer and I'd love to help to create a unique and a professional logo that perfect represents your brand. I offer high quality logo design services on my website, and here you go. This is good message, okay? You just need to copy this message like this and go back to Facebook and put this message here to this person who is searching for logo designer, okay? And you will have here, you guys can see here, you need to put your affiliate link here, okay? So we need to put our affiliate link here. So it's like our affiliate website. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account, but you should see inside this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, Fiverr sub affiliate, and logo maker new plan, okay? So we are promoting logo design service. So what we will do is we will copy our affiliate link from here, logo maker from here, okay? And this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. You guys can go to Google and you can search for Bitly if you want to make your affiliate links short links. I like to make my affiliate links short links. They look more professional and branding, not like long links. They are not looking good. So I will just click here on create new link, and I will put my affiliate link here, and I will click on create link, okay? And here you go, you will get a short affiliate link. I will copy this affiliate link and I will go back to Facebook and I will put my affiliate link here, okay? And here you go, you can see. So what I will do next, I will just click on send, and my message will be sent to this person who is searching for logo designer, okay? So if this person will buy this service from my affiliate link, I will earn $30. So let me show you. If we go back over here to this Fiverr affiliate website, and if we scroll down, you guys can see that logo maker, you will earn $30 for first order, okay? A fixed CPA of $30, which is if you got just three clients, you will make almost $100, okay? This is exactly how you can make your first $100. And you have a lot of customers, you have a lot of groups. Look, logo, I need logo designer needed immediately. Let's scroll down over this one. I need graphic and logo designer, and you have a lot of groups for free traffic, free targeted customers. You just need to convince those people. You need to know exactly how to convince those people, how to talk with those people, because those people who are searching for logo designers, they are your customers, okay? If you have some skills in marketing and you know exactly how to convince those people, you can make every single day at least 19 per day just from Facebook groups, okay? You have a lot of groups. Look, let's check this, the first group. If you go to those groups, you will find a lot of people searching for logo designer. I need a logo designer, $10 to 50 per logo. You guys can see this one, searching for logo designer, okay? If we scroll down, you have also a lot of people who are providing the service, but you need to be the best and you need to know exactly how to talk with customers, how to convince those people, and you will make so much money. My company is in need for some logo designer. This person searching for logo designer, the same person. If we scroll down, here is another one, professional logo designer needed urgently. You guys can see, this is exactly, I need logo designer. This is exactly how you can make your first $100 with affiliate marketing using free traffic. I shared with you guys which service you should promote. I shared with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you with the proofs. I'm sharing with you everything. You just need to start, you just need to do it. That's it. If you can't make commissions just with this method, you need to go to YouTube and learn marketing because you have a problem. If you didn't make commission, you need to learn marketing and you need to learn how to sell and how to convince people to buy services or products from you, okay? Because it's the business model is clear, okay? And the results, you guys can make the results, of course, but speed is not guaranteed, okay? The business model is clear, it's working, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. If you want to get more details, more information, more methods, more strategies, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.